Well, I think what's really helped us streamline our process internally after the project's been sold
Hmm.
is your back end team that does like your plan sets
Oh yeah.
and your engineering reports. So it's funny. Like I look at Scanifly as obviously one company, and then before it um, you have like your sun eye, your tape measure. You then have solar graph. Then you have our engineering department over here, and then you have like uh, custom done like one lines by our electrician, and now that's all been consolidated into one thing, and that's Scanifly. So we have, especially within the last 6 months, we've actually fully transitioned to using Scanifly and doing plan sets for all of our systems that we've sold, and also doing our engineering reports all through you guys. So
Amazing.
that's actually eliminated and helps streamline our project team processes, and it all gets funneled through you guys. And you guys have been absolutely terrific with your responsiveness on like getting plan sets back to us, or if you guys have questions that we didn't give you the right answer, you guys ask those questions to us right away, and we're able to make revisions and go back and forth with you guys. And it's been a really really awesome process for us, and it's helped us gain, I think, efficiency internally. So that's been awesome to see. And Jason, the CEO, he's we saw him at RA Plus, as you
Yeah.
know, he's awesome. That guy, you can tell that he cares so much about the business, and he wants to know how his customers feel about Scanifly and what they like and what they don't like and what they want to see. He's always wanting to see the company get better, which is
Mhm.
which is great. It's awesome.